Hello everyone. So I'm gonna start vlogging. Oh crap. There we go. I'm gonna start vlogging the minute I wake up to make me look stupid. Look at my hair sticking up. Oh, well, that's not as bad today. So anyway, let's get on with the vlog here. It's a very mess in my house right now because I'm waiting for my new TV. I just put my old TV on a wall mount last night and got my PS3 down there, and I watched YouTube last night. Matter of fact, Pup Dog, I watched your videos last night on there, but you can't comment on there. So, yeah. When you live stream, it won't let me comment. I don't know why, so whatever. And there's Snickers. She just slept all night and woke me up just this morning. I didn't know she was sleeping with me. It is foggy outside, and there's like a massive snowstorm coming, I think today or something. I think, but it's way down in Sioux Falls, and here I don't think we're gonna get much, but I don't know. There's the Mercedes. So we're going to check the oil on there, and literally Mercedes don't want me to check the damn oil on this car because there's no dipstick, and I don't know if it's accurate, but I'm hoping it is. I hate that when it's 100% humidity out and everything is all icy and slippery outside and just miserable, and it's 30 degrees, but it feels really darn cold. I mean, it is, I should just say. Alright, like normally I would say you don't have to check no oil, but on a car like this I think I want to check the oil. Let's see what we got here. Bet it's okay. It never burns oil. It leaks a little oil out of the valve covers. Oh, look at that. Now, the big test. Will she start? Oh, yeah. Look at that, folks. So you go and put that on there, and something's going to be dinging in a minute. It's just the way it is. Back her up here. Oh geez, I almost ran over somebody. Okay, good. That was good. Back her up. There we go. And let her warm up a minute. Well, actually, you don't have to warm up because it's in my garage. But yeah, so let's do this vloggy today. Whoop. All right, guys. So oh shoot, somebody texted me. Oh no. What? My girlfriend's doing cold start in her Blazer. Typical Chevy knocking lifters. Now there's steam coming out of it. Started good. Usually don't start that good. Well, my TV's supposed to be coming in the mail today, guys, and I really highly doubt it. And I got you in a dumb spot there, and it's right next to one of my GPS things, and it'll be dinging and all that stuff, but whatever. Let's see if I lose my camera. Probably will. If I do, I do. Like I said, it's a crappy camera. I could care less. I know I cut my head off. I'm supposed to be a good cameraman, but it is what it is. What? Oh, shoot, it is slippery. Oh, it's too early. Everybody, you son of a... I hate it when people just randomly just come out of nowhere. Get that thing... Oh, wait, never mind. That is my coworker. Sorry. Alright, so anyway, I thought that Honda Ridgeline looked familiar. Damn, that's a nice vehicle. I've always wanted to get a Honda Ridgeline, but yeah, they're high maintenance like this too, but they're very expensive to buy. And I'd love to buy one, but no, I don't want no payments anymore. This car I know is going to be high in maintenance, but let me tell you, so far it's been pretty good. I put 1,000 miles on it in a month. It's more than I did on my Corolla. So I think I personally like this car better. I had to drive my pickup a while because I didn't get the title in time, and I didn't want to get pulled over and get in trouble, so I drove my truck for a while. And I tell you, driving my truck from this Mercedes is oh wow, this thing's a Cadillac compared to that Avalanche. And this thing's got power just like that Avalanche. You don't have to worry about it. But like I said, this thing, it starts up good. It sat out with the key in it. Hit the starter, you guys saw it, it fired right up. So that AC Delco professional battery, mint. Okay, I thought somebody was coming there. He's got some kind of Chinese light on top of it. Oh, that's a mailman. Oh, mail lady, I should say. Excuse me. I know everybody in this town. That's why I wave at everybody. That's one thing about small towns. There's good advantages and bad advantages. People know your business way too much. The minute somebody, I don't know, dies or something, everybody knows before the family, which is kind of sad. And another thing is, they're here to help you because they all know you. If something bad happens, they'll help. You know, that's one good thing about a small town. Oh, great. This mail lady is going the same way I'm going. What? Is that a Ford Escort? I have no idea, and she's not paying attention where she's driving as usual. And I wasn't paying attention to my camera, obviously, either. Because I just lost you guys for another 10 seconds again. You're probably hearing the fan, but I can't help that, so I apologize. I just apologize a lot, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Alright guys, so I'm arriving at my destination. I will pick up this vlog a little bit later, and I thought I'd do a vlog because there's no cold start videos. It's just the weather is going to get really miserable here is what they're talking. I don't believe them until I see it, so yeah. Alright, peace out. So I'm sitting here looking at, oh, there's Matt Emeroy's channel, and I'm not going to play it on this video just because I want to respect him, but I got this on my PS3, and I just ordered cable TV again and TiVo and stuff, but I just never knew that they did this animation like this. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I was gonna watch Pup Dog, but he doesn't show up on there either, so I don't know what the deal is. Oh, I miss Angry Grandpa. It'd be almost a year now, December 10th, that he passed away. But, oh, Georgie Stolberger, I haven't watched him forever. But, yeah, I'm just waiting for my TV to come, and I really don't think it's gonna come today because it's kind of miserable weather. Snickers! Hey, what you doing? She's really moody today. She's been pouncing on me. And watch her pupils get big here. See? She's kind of in that mood today, and yeah. See? Oh man, she's mad. Whoop. Okay, alright. Alright, sorry. Woo! Okay. But anyway, if we look outside here, kind of got foggy and got frost on the trees and frost on the ground. It is slippery out there. I about fell The roads don't look that slippery, but there's not much snow here. But there's a winter storm or blizzard warning, winter storm down south by Sioux Falls. They're supposed to get up to 6 to 12 inches. In Nebraska is supposed to get quite a bit, but I don't know. They're saying an inch here, and then they're saying a trace, and they're saying this and that, but I don't know. Sometimes they just make up a bunch of lies, and we never really get anything. So I'm hoping that's the truth, and it just becomes one of them events where it just misses us, and Nebraska and Sioux Falls can have it, not this time instead of us. Well, guys, to end the vlog that I made, I made this redneck fan, which is out of humidifier air care, which is the exact same one as this one. Now what happened is the tanks are on the side, so the tank started leaking. It's under warranty. I only had it for 2 months. Went into the retailer, I told him, and I said, can I get it, get another one, or send it in for warranty? He says, just take this one off the shelf and keep the other one as parts. I'm like, okay, well, that's a good deal, because it was $100 for this thing. No, this one's been working good so far. I hope it hangs in there. So I just found no use for it. I cut the cords. Here's this thing I keep here. Here is the computer digit board. I don't know if you can see, but this chip right here is melted, and it was acting funny. It was like flashing a lot, so it didn't do me any good. So then I had to cut this off, the safety switch, which was for the float and stuff. So I cut all that off, and I got it wired to the low setting. The low setting, there's medium and high and so on, but I got it on the low setting, white and black. So I put a couple wire nuts on there, and then the fan spins and it blows the air straight up, because it'd be like this, and it'd be sucking the humidity from the bottom and blowing it up the top. So we go like this, and I'll plug her in here. It's turning on. You can hear it. See? Look at that. It's pretty quiet. Nice little fan. If I want to keep my computer cool, or a laptop's overheating, or just a scenario of any electronic, you can hear it. See, I got these two wired here for now. You can see it's spinning. Why throw out a perfectly good motor and a fan when I can redneck use it for something, right? Even Snickers agrees. My new TV hasn't come in, guys, yet, but that's my old one. I got a wall mount, and I securely put that on there, and I was watching YouTube actually on there tonight, and I watched Matt Maroy's live stream on there. And buddy, if you're watching this, good live stream. I try to always get there, but sometimes I don't always get there in time. It seems like when people put out their videos or live stream, I'm always at work, or I'm never home, or but I was able to make it to this one. And I haven't put a video out for at least a week, so I thought I probably should. But anyway, I thought that was a cool little redneck invention. You can see it spinning there. You can hear it. I thought it was pretty cool. I could wire it to the blue wire here and the red one and kick her wide open in the next video, but I'm not going to mess with it tonight. And I wouldn't suggest leaving it plugged in when you're gone or unattended, because you may have a little fire or something, or well, Got my old iMac out here. My new one is back in the bedroom back there, and Snickers is just sitting there looking at the eggs I gave her, and she just batted it on the floor. She don't like eating eggs. My cat Kiko loved eggs, but this cat just, yeah, not having it. So I haven't had any cold starts done, like I said in the beginning of the vlog. So there's well, it's supposed to be a massive winter storm coming here tonight and tomorrow and the next day. So I really don't know what we're getting, but we'll find out because the weather and people are never right. Alright guys, well thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog because it's better than nothing.